Hello, in this video we're going to look how we can deploy or implement the dimensions in the target data warehouse. So this data warehouse can be in PostgreSQL, in Oracle, in SQL Server or in Snowflake. So the tables have to be implemented. It is part, the target DEP or deploy, it's part of the BI data lake to target roadmap. So we generated the DDL, so to create tables, to create views, and to create sequences, and they will be implemented here. Okay, we're going to look at some examples. Okay, first we want to implement the tables. So if we want to do that, to implement all the tables, we starting the generated Python scripts, DDL underscore tab, to implement the tables for the data mart for the dimensions. And what is he doing now? If we run this, he is running the Python scripts to implement all the tables and sequence. So he is saying first, I'm gonna start the Dimensi ADV product. He's connecting to SQL Server and he is dropping the dimension and he's dropping the sequence and creating the table and the sequence and giving grants for it so that this table is available for the users which are running the ETL process. Okay, so for every table he's doing this, generating the table and the view. The table and the sequence. The views we can implement on quite a similar way. The only difference is that it's not a DDL underscore tab.dm underscore dimpened by, but DDL underscore view. So all the views which are generated in base and could be modified if you want will be implemented now into the database. Yeah, so now all the objects, the views are available in the database. And the name of the view is equal to the name of the table with the extension underscore VW underscore view. So this is done now. Thank you for watching these videos and I'll see you back in one of the other videos.